What's going on? Jmatt here, Unfocused Clan. Got nobody with me today. This is just a test run, very short video. I want to do a test run of a game that I got a couple years ago called Tower 3D. If you've never heard of this game, you're pretty much in the position of an air traffic controller, and your job is to land airplanes and have airplanes take off without any incidents and nobody dying. 10 points for every plane that takes off, 10 points for every plane that lands, negative 500 for any type of mistake. So every time you fuck something up, sorry, I had a notification I had to look at. Yeah, so every time you fuck something up, you have to do 50 planes just to make that even. It can get very interesting. So got Cookie involved in it a couple days ago offline. He likes the game. So we may get him on a live stream doing a tower operator, and I'll be ground. But for the single player, I will be doing all of it. So let's do this. We're going to Philadelphia International Airport just for this. We're going in at 1900 hours. Just half density because it's just a test run. When I load in, you'll probably hear a Frontier flight call out. My planes are going to be landing on runway 26, that's on your right hand of the screen, and runway 9 on right. So yeah, 9 in aviation is called Niner. And anytime you call out multiple digits, you call them out one digit at a time. At least that's the way it goes in this game. I'm not sure if that's real life or not. I have to ask my stepbrother about that. Alright, here we go. Like I said, I'm going to get an airplane taken off. I'll get an airplane on the ground, and then we'll call this video done. Not much time for anything else after that. Gotta get on the machine for a treatment. So,
Philadelphia Tower, Frontier Flight 1025 requesting push and start.
Okay, it's 1025. So, alright, so what we have here, bottom left, you have your D-Bright, that's your air radar. In the middle, you have your ADIRS console, that is your ground radar. And on the right hand side, you have your strip. No, that does not mean I'm stripping. Get your mind out of the gutter. It tells you all your arrivals and departures. So as we see now, we've got Frontier Flight trying to get out of here. We're probably going to put most of our traffic on runway 17, which goes north to south. Have secondary as 9 or left, and go from there. So let's get this guy out of here, or at least get him going. Frontier Flight 1025 pushback approved. Just spent runway 17.
Ground 17 pushback approved. Frontier Flight 1025.
Alright, so he's getting ready to go. Yeah, my screen's small, so you might not be able to see much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my ADIRS on another screen, so I can see it. And if there's something, there you go. You see the ADIRS on the other screen. There we go. And I'll bring one back up here, so I can pop this on and off if we need to see it, if I want to show something. I'm going to speed this up a little bit so we can go ahead and get this done, get this uploaded, get this out of here. Frontier Flight is in the middle of the screen. He's being tucked back.
Jmatt 4903 with you, runway 26.
And there's a plane that's going to come in to land.
Ground. Frontier Flight 1025 ready to taxi. Philadelphia Tower, American 416 requesting push and start.
Alright, so we're just going to deal with the Frontier Flight 1025 and Piedmont 4903. And then we'll be done with this. Frontier Flight 1025, runway 17, line up and wait.
Runway 17 line up and wait. Frontier Flight 1025.
Alright, I am just going to delete the rest of these planes as they come up. Delete plane. He's gone. Got another one coming in on the D-Bright. He's not officially called out yet. Let's see. Frontier Flight's making his way over.
Philadelphia Tower, Brickyard 4738 with you, runway 9 or right.
Alright, go ahead and kill out the Brickyard. Go ahead and give my Piedmont clearance to land. Piedmont 49er03, runway 26, clear to land.
Runway 26 cleared to land Piedmont 49er03.
Alright. So Frontier Flight is almost there. We are going 4
Philadelphia
times
Tower,
speed.
American 750 requesting push and start.
Just so we can go ahead and get this done. Delete airplane. Alright, Frontier Flight's ready to go. Frontier Flight 1025, runway 17, clear for takeoff.
Runway 17 cleared for takeoff. Frontier Flight 1025.
And the Piedmont's almost on the ground. Go ahead. There it goes, Frontier
Tower,
Flight.
American 805 with you, runway 9er right.
Delete this guy out. Frontier Flight's gone. Frontier Flight 1025, contact departure.
Roger, good evening.
Alright, Frontier Flight's out of my hair. I want to show you this. There's Piedmont on the ground right there. I'm actually going to have this guy taxi a little different to show you how the taxiways work. What he would probably do is go down Delta, then Hotel. Let him turn my roadways off. There we go.
Philadelphia Tower, American 889er requesting push and start.
Alright, so Piedmont is probably going to try to go down Hotel. He's going to try to turn to his right and then go to his terminal, which is here in the light blue. But just so you can kind of see how this works, I'm going to make him go down Delta, Kilo, Echo, then Hotel. Piedmont 49er03, taxi to terminal via Delta, Kilo, Echo, Hotel.
Taxi to terminal via Delta Kilo Echo Hotel Piedmont 49er03.
Now the theory here is that he should stop at this runway, but he doesn't call out requesting permission. So I have to notice that he stopped and then tell him to continue on. Okay, he's down Delta, turning right on Kilo.
Philadelphia Tower, Brickyard 4508 requesting push and start.
Okay, so he stopped because he's got to cross that runway. Show you where he is. He is right there. Piedmont 49er03, continue taxi.
Continue taxi Piedmont 49er03.
There he goes. Now, usually I'm handling other planes while I'm doing this, so it's not just focusing on one plane unless it's late in game time. As you see on my game time bar, it's 19:02, which is 7:02 p.m. game time. But I deleted the other planes just so we can focus on the takeoff and the takeoff and the arrival.
Philadelphia Tower, Speedbird 66 requesting push and start.
Speedbird's call sign is BAW, B-A-W. And he's just taxiing to the runway, and then once he gets to his, he's taxiing to the terminal. Once he gets to his terminal, he'll just disappear. I've already gotten the points for him, so technically I could delete him if I wanted to. He's at the terminal. And gone. Nope, gone. So like I said, this is just a very short video. This is just a test run. I couldn't get this working on the OBS player, so I had to switch to XSplit. Been testing it. I figured I'd go ahead and do a very quick video just so I can get it uploaded. Maybe Cookie will see it, be excited, be over here this weekend, and do a little air traffic control with me. As always, good fight, good night, and see us.
Piedmont 4852 requesting push and start.
It always interrupts me. As always, have a good one. Take care. Good fight. Good night.